Tommy Kissinger with Go Bearded Beard Products Company, also a community and a brotherhood for the bearded. Thank you so very much for joining us on this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Detroit Grooming Company and their specific product, Beard Butter. They have an excellent beard butter. We also have a full line of beard butter products at Go Bearded Beard Products Company. But we want to give a shout out and some love also to Detroit Grooming Company because they really do have a good one. So before we get into that, just asking if you would hit that like button, and we appreciate that so much. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, if you would please consider doing so. Come be a part of Go Bearded Beard Products Company and also this community and brotherhood for the bearded. So before we get into highlighting the specific product from Detroit Grooming Company, let's just go over again some of the benefits of using beard butter. And here we go. Here's some highlights about it. Beard butter. It nourishes and softens the beard hair. It's going to make your beard more manageable. And you will have a healthier beard when you use beard butter. You're going to have less shedding. It makes your beard feel better, basically, overall. It's primarily for nourishment and the health of the beard hair. So when you go to apply the beard butter, you want to apply it to a damp beard. Not soaking wet, obviously, just a little bit damp. And then you want to work it throughout the beard hair. You want to try to avoid applying it to the skin so you don't clog your pores. Obviously, the beard oil is primarily for the skin, so the beard butter is primarily for the hair. And you want to work it throughout the hair, and then it's going to help you detangle the beard hair. So there you go, just some basic benefits for using the beard butter. So now we're going to talk about this specific product from Detroit Grooming Company. There you go, you can see it right there. That is Corktown Beard Butter, made with natural ingredients, vanilla, tobacco, and cedar wood. There it is one more time from Detroit Grooming Company. And let's take off the lid. And you can look at it on the inside there. That's what the beard butter looks like. Okay. So let's go on ahead and highlight their product. Corktown Beard Butter for the best in control and nourishment. Here's a testimony here. It gives some great texture to my beard and also helps keep my skin moisturized. The subtle scent is nice as well. So about our Corktown Beard Butter. Not a fan of a liquid oil and want something a bit more solid? Want to control some of the stray hairs that are walking about your face? Do you love the way coconut oil and shea butter make your beard look and feel? Well, you're a bit high maintenance, but that's where Detroit Grooming Company Beard Butter comes in. We'll take care of all your needs right here in this 2-ounce jar. What's it made of? The foundational ingredients of our 2-ounce Corktown Beard Butter makes beard grooming super easy, since it comes from high-quality coconut oil and shea butter engineered to make your beard look and feel amazing. Our beard butter also comes rich in vitamins, nutrients, and antioxidants, giving your beard the proper nourishment it needs. In addition, the Corktown is made from our most popular blends of fragrances. We're talking about vanilla, tobacco, and cedar wood. Not only will you keep wanting to fill your senses with this smooth, clean fragrance, but others will too. Not a bad thing. Our beard butter also contains a high content of monosaturated fatty acids, making them some of the most intensely moisturizing beard butter available. They're chock full of antioxidants and proteins to help repair your skin and hair. Growing a beard? Want to know how to grow a goatee or how to grow a long beard that'll actually look good? Do you have a coarse beard or coarse beard hair or a dry beard and want a softer beard that's well nourished? These butters provide the most complete answers to the question of how to grow a beard. They don't clog pores, so they actually help promote beard growth. We have what you need wherever you are in your beard growing journey. Let your beard grow. They also give a little section here. What's the difference between beard oil and beard butter? Our beard oils are made for proper beard nourishment, while our beard butter is made for nourishment and control, taming or styling your beard in a particular way. So there you have it. Corktown Beard Butter by Detroit Grooming Company. And so we went over the benefits of this beard butter. I'll tell you, man, I use the beard butter at night before I go to bed and love putting it in. Love the way the comb feels going through the beard after that. Every time I get a shower, I use beard oil. And then right before I go to bed at night, I use the beard butter. And I don't put it like just dry into the beard. I just use a little spray bottle and get the beard slightly damp and then put the beard butter in. So in just a minute, we're going to break away and show you a demonstration of putting in the Corktown Beard Butter from Detroit Grooming Company. All right, as advertised, we're going to demonstrate putting in the beard butter. And as I've said, this is what I do every night. I put in the beard butter before I go to bed. And of course, every day, usually in the morning for me when I get a shower. After I get a shower, I put in the beard oil. But every night before I go to bed, I put in the beard butter. There it is again, the Corktown Beard Butter by Detroit Grooming Company. And once again, that's what it looks like on the inside. You can see, hey, it looks like butter. And I don't put it right into a dry beard, so I just get a spray bottle. Just get yourself a spray bottle. I just get the beard slightly damp. That's what I do. Get it a little bit damp, just comb through it. It just distributes the product better when you're not putting it straight into a dry beard. So there you have it with that. Have it slightly damp. Okay. Now we're going to get some of the beard butter. And you're just going to, just pull it on out of there, get about enough to just cover the top part of the finger. I usually just get about that much. Put it in the hand there. Distribute it around real good. Melt it real good into your hands. Get some on the fingers. Now, once again, with the beard butter, it's mainly for the hair. So you're not really trying to scrub it down into the skin. Hey, if you get a little bit on the skin, no big deal. But you're mainly trying to just get the beard butter into the hair itself. So have it distributed real good there onto the hand. I just begin to put it on top. Distribute the butter into the beard hair. Get it all throughout the beard. Stuff is smelling great. Got a little, as we have said, a little vanilla, little tobacco, cedar wood. Once again, you're just going to come all the way up through the beard. Let's get it all the way up in there. There you go. Let's get the butter in there real good. Excuse me for 1 minute while I wash these hands. Just going to get the butter off the hands. All right. Got that done. Then, my favorite part, just combing through it. That stuff just glides really nice through the beard hair. And, it's sitting in there all night long while you sleep. And what it really does, really helps when you wake up in the morning And you got the bed beard when you wake up in the morning and it's every which way but loose, and you begin to initially comb through the beard. It just really helps you get through the beard to, once again, glide through it, kind of start to get the beard ready for the day, and helps with less breakage, less shedding. But this is my favorite part. After putting the beard butter in at night, it just combs really, really nice through the beard hair. And you know, you're taking care of your beard. You're nourishing the hairs. And there you have it, man. Detroit Grooming Company, Corktown Beard Butter. It's one of the nightly routines that I do. You know, whether I use Detroit Grooming Company or another company's beard butter, or our very own at Geaux Bearded Beard Products Company, it's just a good thing to do for the beard to help nourish the hairs. Looking nice, smelling great, and you know it's in there doing its work. So as always, go Tommies, go Tigers, and go Bearded.